tarot readers, best tarot readers, are hired by the governments and by the kings, queens. And to tell the truth, the kings and the queens and the monarchy and the presidents and all those authorities and people in power hire tarot readers, mediums, and people with supernatural gifts. So don't tell me that it's just a crime to be a witch, to be a prophet, to have supernatural some powers. Supernatural means simply that you have some gifts after having hard life's experiences, and that's all about higher level of consciousness and using more cells from your brain than other people. So your brain is activated and your DNA is activated to the level you can do more things than average people may do. That's the deal. Devil or God, I like twin flame. That's the truth.